Express in English through stories and dialogues. Fido and the Bone. Once there was a dog named Fido. He wandered the streets night and day in search of food. One day he found a big juicy bone and he immediately grabbed it between his mouth and took it home. On his way home, Fido crossed a river and saw another dog who also had a bone in its mouth. He wanted that bone for himself too. But as he opened his mouth, the bone he was biting fell into the river and sank. That night, he went home hungry. Fido felt sorry that he became greedy and had to sleep empty stomach. Now, let's understand the meaning of these words and also usage. Repeat after me. Wandered. Wandered. I was wandering around the city yesterday. She wandered all day and night for food. Grabbed. Grabbed. Grab my hand and you won't fall. The baby grabbed its mother's hand. Sank. Sank. The boat sank into the river. No lives were lost when the boat sank. Starving. Starving. I'm starving for knowledge. The child is starving since morning. Greedy. Greedy. He is a greedy little boy. Don't be so greedy. Empty. Empty. The jug is empty. My heart is empty without you. Thank you for watching and keep learning with us.